Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall.
What your name? Eh? Sultan. What your name?
Popping.
Popping.
Yeah.
So last time I came with 2 nostrils.
Yeah. Me dealing with the body piercing in Jamaica.
You do body piercing?
Yeah, me are the
You go
number one
to
body
the
piercing.
Yeah, man. So it's no pussy boy. So tell me, how far one go?
Roll it down.
Alright, viewers and subscribers. This man right here is the great, the legendary Buju Banton. Cracking up jokes. You see what I say? Cracking up jokes, yeah. While in the meanwhile doing his whole world tour thing. You know, Buju Banton has been flying all over the Caribbean, in many places throughout the world, on his long walk to freedom tour, you know, back and forth from Trinidad to Jamaica, this, that to Jamaica, Ray to Jamaica, and so on. You just keep going. But the reason why I point out this video is that people have said that Buju Banton changed. Yes, I say, because Buju Banton was considered to be a very serious Rastafarian. You know, many people look at Buju Banton as the kind of Rastaman that would never go near people with bore noses and tattoos and all these things. Basically, they are saying that he's homophobic because of the religion that he choose. You see me? Now, I am not saying that Buju Banton is partaking in certain things. Me not say that. You see me I say, and I'm not saying that him a mix and mingle neither, you know, as Jamaicans would say. But basically, the man is doing his job professionally. You see me I say, greeting people, because no matter what, they are still his fans. You see? So even though the religion might say something else, you know, this man is not doing certain things to offend his fans. You see me I say? And again, it's not like I'm saying that he's upholding with what's going on. Anyways, here's the thing about it now. People would look at Buju Banton as a serious Rastafarian because the song that him do, we call him Boom Bye Bye, create a stigma upon him. And that song has caused a lot of problem for him throughout, especially certain countries that have gay marriages and all these things. As I said, that song has caused quite a few problems for him, where them ask him to apologize and all these things. You see me? So you don't see it. So for social media to see him interact with someone that is doing piercings and all these things on himself, and he's actually laughing about it, that's why social media I say what them say right about now. But you don't know, me Dancehall, I'm gonna bring to you know what happened on social media right now if you go no understanding or a view what really and truly are going. You see? Alright? So people, viewers and subscribers, the question we are asked right here so is, has Buju Banton changed since his incarceration? And you know, you don't know, would I like to know what you think about the situation, as I say. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, and always read the comments for update for all situations throughout the whole Dancehall pages. Is it post, I should say, is it? But anyways, my name is Skilla, and this way just is the Dancehall ENT. Big up on yourself, yeah. You see it.